Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and thanks for viewing this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Java contentEquals method, which is used to compare a string variable with a string buffer, and this method returns a Boolean value. It will return true if there is a match between the value stored in a given string and the one stored in a string buffer. And it returns false eventually if there is no match. So let me show you how to use this method with the help of an example. I will declare a string variable that I will call str1, and I will say I love programming. And next I'm going to declare a string buffer that I'm going to call str2. Say I use the new keyword and say string buffer. I'm sorry, G here. And inside the brackets, I'm going to say I love programming. So now I need to call my method in the output statement, System.out.println. Inside I will say str1, which is the given string, that content equals. Now inside the brackets I need to key in my string buffer, and I called it str2. So what it's going to do is that it's going to check whether the string value stored in the string buffer is the same as the one stored in my string str1. If I run, it returns true, as you can see. So if I change the value in my string buffer to str2 and run, it will return false. Or if, let me put back the value I here, and then if I change the value in str1, you will definitely get false here. So guys, that was it concerning the contentEquals method, how you can check whether the value in your given string is the same as the one stored in your string buffer. So I hope this video was informative, and please don't forget to like this video, to comment, to ask any question if you have, and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for viewing, and let's meet in the next video.